This is a short video guide on how to use the Reasonable Adjustments digital flag template. Practices are now required to have systems in place for recording reasonable adjustments required for those with a disability as defined by the Equality Act of 2010. The Clinical Effectiveness Group in North East London have created this Reasonable Adjustment digital flag data entry template to help services capture this data in line with the requirements set by the standard. Once the template has been set up for your organisation, it can be launched from the template launcher. The first part of the template contains the mandatory fields, and these are marked with a double asterisk for clarity. It's important that you ensure that you code whether the patient consents or declines for their data to be uploaded to the Reasonable Adjustment digital flag. System suppliers are currently working on their solutions to display the digital flag within their system, but the exact way this will work and how existing reasonable adjustment information will be uploaded from the GP clinical system isn't yet clear. We therefore suggest that you use all of these codes, including the consent codes, each time you use the template to make sure that these are up to date on the same day. If a review of reasonable adjustments is being done, you can use the next section, Review of Reasonable Adjustment Needs, to capture this. The next section, Impairment, is optional, where patients can disclose the nature and brief detail of the impairment which requires reasonable adjustment. This is free text information and is not coded, but is there for information within the GP clinical system. The final section is where the individual reasonable adjustments can be coded. The adjustments included are all predefined codes and are split across multiple categories that have been defined in the Reasonable Adjustment Digital Flag specification from NHS England. Once you choose a reasonable adjustment, you have the free text box where you can add some additional free text information. If you've made a mistake and you need to remove that adjustment, you can hover over the adjustment and click the red cross to remove it. Once you've selected all the reasonable adjustments that are required and ensured that you've selected the mandatory fields, you can save the template. This adds the codes into the consultation, which you can then save. The next time the patient's record is launched, the Reasonable Adjustments Digital Flag protocol will indicate that a reasonable adjustment is required. You can then search the consultations to find this.